ElBadry Sons for Furniture.
We founded our company under the name of ElBadry for Furniture Industry in 1952 by Mr. ElBadry in Damietta Governorate. The factory was opened in the new city of Damietta with an area of 500,000 square meters. Where we are one of the pioneers of furniture industry in the Arab Republic of Egypt. The hands of the engineers and workers of ElBadry Furniture are all the time forming and looking for pieces of art inside each piece of wood. It is not just an occupation, but a heritage that we preserve, passing our signature generation after generation, achieving success after success. In 1952, the first branch of Damietta was opened more than 60 years ago. In 1975, the second branch was opened in Damietta, the third in 1982. In 2008, the fourth branch was opened on Paul Saeed Road. We opened our first branch in Cairo in 1990.
And in 2015 it was established in Makram Ebied.
Since the company was established, it is specialized in the manufacture of classical furniture. And modern. The company also has a diverse range of products and services to its customers, providing all the needs of all the tastes with a natural wood industry. Natural wood, beech, and natural veneer, as well as decoration works at the highest levels, and furniture designs, handmade designs. Our motto has always been trust, excellence, exclusivity, and global quality. For customer service, we will always be ready serving you throughout the Republic, always ready for your questions about everything from wood, delivery services, lifting tools, and transportation to the prices of each piece. Over the years, we have worked to satisfy all tastes with natural wood and natural veneer to create you different pieces of art.